CSM 900 Iron Colossus, manufacturer, Cuponian State Railworks, CSR, a state-owned locomotive works located in Varkov, northern Cuponia. Year built, 1938. Type, 2884, articulated heavy freight locomotive. Purpose, built to haul vast amounts of military equipment, coal, and construction materials across Cuponia's mountainous northern frontier and the industrial heartlands. It was also occasionally used to transport armored trains during the Great War, 1939 to 1945, between Mugonia and Cuponia. Specifications: length, 42.7 meters, weight, 1,030,000 pounds, fully loaded, top speed, 110 kilometers per hour, power output, 7,100 horsepower fuel, type, coal, later some, converted to oil in the 1950s. Crew, 5, driver, fireman, engineer, mechanic, and radio officer. Name, PLD-40 Skybolt. Manufacturer, Varkov Diesel Industries, VDI, a Cuponian locomotive manufacturer founded in 1962 during the industrial boom following the Great War. VDI specialized in diesel-electric units for both freight and passenger operations. Operator, Proline Logistics and Rail Services, a semi-private Cuponian company founded in 1978 that took over several state-owned freight routes. Year built, 1983 to 1990. Type, diesel-electric freight locomotive, COCO configuration. Purpose, designed to replace aging steam units and provide high-efficiency, long-range freight service across Cuponia's expanding industrial network. The PLD-40 became the backbone of Proline's heavy transport division, known for hauling bulk cargo between Varkov, New Vure, and Port Silina. Specifications: power output, 4,200 horsepower top speed, 140 kilometers per hour, engine, VDI Prime V16 diesel-electric traction. Motors, 6, 1 per axle. Fuel capacity, 5,500 liters. Weight, 122 tons. Crew, 2, engineer and systems operator. EVR DF-90 Solaris Titan. Operator EVR, Eastern Varkov Railways, a Cuponian state-run freight and logistics rail company operating across the southern and eastern parts of the empire. Manufacturer, Proline Heavy Industries, Königstadt Locomotive Division. Model year, 2010 to present. Type, high-horsepower diesel-electric freight locomotive. Power output, 5,600 horsepower, 4.2 megawatts. Engine, Proline Varkov VF-20T Titan Core, twin-turbocharged diesel engine with hybrid generator assist. Top speed, 135 kilometers per hour, 84 miles per hour. Weight, 198 tons. Primary role, heavy intercontinental freight hauling between the Cuponian heartland, Königstadt, Varkov, Marvansk, and southern industrial ports, Bordoza, Silena, and Portovar. CHSDE 490 Valkyrie Express. Operator, CHSD, Cuponian High-Speed Directorate. Subsidiary of Cuponian National Rail, CNR. Primary region, Central Europe, Czechoslovakia, Austria, Germany, and Western Cuponia. Manufacturer, Varkov Electroworks, in collaboration with Königstadt Transit Systems, entered service, 2022 train type, electric high-speed multiple unit, EMU. Configuration, 8-car dual end set, 4+4 articulated, modular coupling. Top speed, 370 kilometers per hour, 230 miles per hour, on upgraded Cuponian European corridor tracks. Power output, 12 megawatts, 16,000 horsepower. Range, operates primarily on the Central Cuponian High-Speed Corridor, CCHSC, connecting Königstadt, Bratovia, Praha, München, Bordoza. Vancouver Pacific Class, A4 Imperial Majesty, operator, Royal Cuponian Railways, RCR, under direct ownership of His Imperial Majesty, the Kaiser, and the royal family. Manufacturer, Vancouver Pacific Locomotive Works, Koenigstadt Division. Originally engineered by potato pudding designer Mikhail van Derven, adapted for Cuponian use. Type, luxury express steam locomotive. Entered service, 1942, still operational for ceremonial use. Power type, coal-fired triple-cylinder, superheated steam. Wheel arrangement, 464 Hudson configuration. Top speed, 175 kilometers per hour, 109 miles per hour. Primary role, royal and diplomatic transport. Typical route, Königstadt, Bordosa, Novarus, Praha, Winneva Station, used for state visits, foreign dignitary travel, and national parades. Passenger cars, 2 observation lounges, royal and guest, 1 dining car, imperial feast, 2 sleeping cars, 12 suites each, and 1 security service car. Vancouver Pacific Class A4 F Iron Mono. Operator, Vancouver Pacific Freight Division, subsidiary of Cuponian Industrial Transport Authority. Type, heavy freight steam locomotive, modified from Class A4 passenger. Entered service, 1947. Power type, oil-fired conversion, dual piston cylinders. Wheel arrangement, 464 mountain configuration. Top speed, 120 kilometers per hour, 75 miles per hour. Primary role, transport of high-value royal cargo and strategic wartime supplies during the World War era, 1949 to 2003. Typical cargo, refined metals from Bavaria and Novarus military equipment for the Cuponian Royal Army and fine goods and resources bound for the Imperial Court.